Water leaking from the sprayer base on your sink is a total hassle that can quickly turn into a bigger mess if you don't handle it right. So here's the thing. First, you want to check if the sprayer hose is loose or cracked, because that's a common cause of leaks at the base. Next, make sure the connection where the sprayer hose attaches under the sink is tight. Sometimes it just needs a little twist to stop the drip. If tightening doesn't work, you might need to replace the O-ring inside the sprayer base, which often wears out over time. Don't forget to turn off your water supply before doing any fixes to avoid any unexpected flooding. Also, keep an eye on the sprayer handle and trigger. If they're sticking or broken, water can leak too. Using plumber's tape on threaded connections can help create a better seal and stop leaks. If you notice corrosion or buildup around the base, clean it gently to prevent damage to seals and fittings. And finally, if all else fails, swapping out the whole sprayer assembly can be a quick fix that saves you from constant dripping. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water leaking from the sprayer base on sinks is ignoring small drips, which can lead to mold or water damage. Fix leaks early by tightening connections or replacing worn parts. Another common issue is not turning off the water supply before trying to fix the leak, which leads to water spraying everywhere. Always shut off your water first. Lastly, using the wrong size replacement parts like O-rings or hoses causes poor fits and continued leaks. Make sure you get exact matches for your sink model or sprayer brand. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fixing plumbing problems like sprayer leaks. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, so everyone wins without the usual hassle of endless searching.